Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PostgreSQL with DBeaver. First, launch DBeaver and locate the database menu at the top. From there, select New Database Connection to initiate the connection wizard. You'll then see a comprehensive list of database types. Simply choose PostgreSQL from this selection. After making your choice, click Next to advance to the crucial connection settings configuration. Now it's time to input your specific connection details. You'll need to provide the host address, the port number, and the name of your PostgreSQL database. Remember, the standard port for PostgreSQL is 5432. Additionally, enter your designated username and password for secure database access. Before proceeding, always click the Test Connection button to verify that all your entered information is accurate and working. DBeaver is quite smart. It usually handles the PostgreSQL JDBC driver download automatically for you. If a prompt appears, simply confirm the download and installation to proceed smoothly. Next, review the authentication methods available. For most setups, the password option will be perfectly sufficient. It's also a good practice to ensure your PostgreSQL server is configured to accept remote connections from your DBeaver client. With all settings configured, click the Finish button to save your newly established database connection. You'll then see your connection listed prominently within the Database Navigator pane on the left side. Expand this connection to effortlessly browse through your schemas, tables, and views. From this point, you are ready to execute SQL queries, manage your data, and interact fully with your PostgreSQL database.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.